This is the passenger door window that has not been repaired yet. To give you an idea, it took me a long time to get it down this far, how bad it works. You see it, it's locked now, and then it goes down crooked that way. You can pull it up. And then it's locked, cocked again, so it's not working very well. So should be able to, once I get the other door panel back on. It takes two hands to do it, so it's needs to be repaired. I think I can do it just like the other one. Possibly the back windows also. So that's the before.